This conference will now be recorded.
Thank you, G. Yeah. Hi. Hi all. Just in today's class, we people are going to discuss the ABAP BTP. BTP. See, the point is, I think all we guys having knowledge on ABAP. All we peoples having knowledge on ABAP. See, now we peoples are going to know about ABAP BTP. ABAP BTP. Here, what is BTP? What is BTP? Why it is a very, very hot cake in the SAP market? BTP stands for, BTP is nothing but, BTP stands for, it's a business technology. Okay, it's a business technology platform. BTP is nothing but, it's a business technology platform. BTP is nothing but, it's a business technology platform. Okay, this BTP was introduced by the SAP Labs. This BTP was introduced by the SAP Labs in the year of 2021. That is 2021. In 2030. In 2001 second. Yeah, okay. See here, SAP Labs introduced the BTP. That means what? It's a business technology platform. This business technology platform introduced by the SAP Labs in the year of 2021. Okay. And see, this BTP is a hot cake in SAP technology. In SAP market, this BTP is a hot cake. At the same time, the coming years completely, in coming years, we all peoples need to depend on BTP platform to develop the SAP applications. Okay. And one more thing, this BTP is going to bring, this BTP brings togetherly different features. For example, BTP brings, okay, data management, and see here, data management and analytics. Okay, see here, analytics and AI. BTP brings the AI feature also, artificial intelligence. Okay, and the BTP brings application development. Application development is nothing but with the help of ABAP coding. With the help of ABAP coding, we people can develop. With the help of ABAP coding, with the help of ABAP coding, we people can develop. With the help of ABAP coding, we people, with the help of ABAP coding, we people can develop, see here, SAP application on BTP platform. Okay, and the next, see here, and the next, automation is also possible. Automation and integrity is also possible. Okay, that is, integrity is nothing but it's integration. Integration also possible. Okay, here, see here, see here, BTP brings all this togetherly. BTP brings all these togetherly, brings these features. Data migration is possible through the BTP. Analytics is possible through the BTP. AI, artificial intelligence is possible through the BTP. And application development also possible. See here, we people are going to involve in application development with the help of the ABAP coding. Okay, and automation and integration in automation and integration in one unified environment. One unified environment. that is called BTP. Okay, see here, all these data management, analytics, AI, application development, automation and integrity, all these possible in one unified environment, that is BTP environment. That is BTP environment. For example, I'm going to give clear-cut explanation. For example, see here. Okay, for example, previously, see here, before BTP, okay, before BTP, and now also, see, if you want to develop one end-to-end SAP application development, we people are going to interact, we people are going to integrate with the different objects. For example, see here, just 1 second here. For example, just once, see, this is what it's a presentation layer, and this is the application layer. Okay, and next, see here, database layer and database layer. See here, you can see here, this is see presentation layer, application layer, and database layer. And see on the database layer, it would be decided the database. For example, see here, application layer is nothing but where we people can design the SAP screens. I'm asking you guys here, where in ABAP, in normal ABAP, where we people are going to design the SAP screens? We people can design the SAP screens using module programming. That means using the screen painter, we people start developing the SAP screen. That means what? That screen painter belongs to, okay, presentation layer. That means what here? GUI. Okay, that means you can design the applications using a GUI, SAP, UFI, and Fury apps. Fury. And the next, see here next, application layer. Application layer. That means what here? We people can write the ABAP coding here. Next, it's a database layer. Database layer. See, on the database layer here, the database will be decided. It may be HANA database or non-HANA database. Non-HANA database means what? It may be Oracle, SQL Server, something. Okay. For example, and another see here, and see here, another see the process of designing. The process of design the front-end applications. Okay, sometimes we people are going to see. For example, in ABAP, we people can go for the module programming to design the SAP applications, right? See here, for example, see here. Here in normal ABAP, see. For example, you can see this is what it's saying, vendor creation screen. How this screen was designed. This screen was designed with the help of the module programming. In the same way, if you want to design this front-end applications using SAP UFI and Fury apps, we people need to integrate with the different modules. Like see here, for example, you see, you need to know HTML. See here, you need to know HTML. Okay, JavaScript, jQuery. See guys, here the point is, please observe here. If you want to design the SAP UFI and Fury apps, okay, now we people are going to integrate with the HTMLs, okay, HTML and JavaScript and CSS. That is CSS. See, the point is, please observe here. Here, just wait 1 second. HTML. Here, JavaScript. Here, CSS. That means cascading style sheets. Okay. And see next to, see here, the point is, and see here, we people are going to, okay, we people are going to use the data also here. More data. We people are going to use the more data also. Here the point is, please observe. Here the point is to see if you want to develop, okay, if you want to develop the SAP UEFI and Fiori app, okay, then we people need to integrate with the different scripting technologies like HTML, JavaScript, CSS. Okay, and one more thing here. See, the point is, for example, on this presentation layer, okay, you enter some data. For example, you want to save the vendor details, you enter. Which vendor details you enter, that vendor details will be passed to the application layer. In this application layer, based on our ABAP logic, okay, which data you entered on the front end, that will be stored in the database tables. That will be stored in the database. For example, from the backend, that is from the database, if you want to, for example, I want to fetch the 10 tables data. If you want to fetch the 10 tables data, then in ABAP, in application layer, using the ABAP code, you can fetch. See the piece water. Here you can write the selected queries to fetch the data from the database. See the point is mostly 60% of the time, is consuming in between the application and database layer. For example, if you want to save the vendor details into the database table, then you will send the request. That request will be happening mostly, okay, 60% of the time consuming request will be going on in between the application layer and presentation layer. Okay, and moreover, see, sometimes we people are going to interact with the OData services also. Okay, see here, if it comes to OData service, you need to write a lot of code to generate the OData service. You need to develop the entity set, all these things you need to develop. Once you develop the entity set, then finally OData service provides one XML URL. That again you need to integrate with the front-end application. That means what here, if you want to develop one SAP application from end to end, okay, from end to end, if you want to develop one SAP application, you need to interact with the presentation layer, database layer, application layer, and okay, and other integration objects, with other objects also we need to integrate. See, the point is what here, in the process of developing one SAP application, we people are going to interact with the multiple objects. And we people are going to integrate the different objects. This process is completely providing the performance issues. This process, because to develop one SAP application from end to end, you need to integrate the different modules. For example, if you want to develop the SAP application, if you want to develop the front-end application using the SAP UI and Fiori, you need to know HTML, JavaScript, CSS. All this, you need to integrate with all these scripting technologies. You need to integrate once you develop HTML, JavaScript, and CSS. So all these things again you need to integrate in UI application. Okay. And you need to integrate with the application layer, database layer, the process of sending and receiving the data through HTTP and HTTPS request. So here the point is what till now we people are following this way to develop one SAP application from end to end. That means what we are integrating with the different objects. Okay, so it may use the performance issues also. To prevent this type of situation, so SAP Labs introduced SAP Labs came with the new technology. It's a new platform that is called BTP. Okay, BTP is nothing but it's a business technology platform. Here, SAP Labs integrated. Here the point is what here we people here Here we people are going to integrate with different objects individually. We people are integrate with the different objects to develop a complete one SAP application. But here in BTP, all the BTP includes BTP came up with different integration parts. For example, see here the point is, one second. Yeah. See here, for example, BTP. It's a business technology platform. This BTP, okay, this BTP business technology platform, this BTP business technology platform having different individual objects togetherly at one location. Okay, that is, for example, see here, based on the BTP, you can develop the UFL theory apps on the same environment BTP. And on the chip, you can do the data service communication also. Data service communication also you can do on one environment, that is BTP. And you can communicate with the BW systems also. You can communicate with the BW systems also. And you can communicate with the, okay, you can do the workflow related. You can develop the workflow related objects also on one environment, that is BTP. And you can write the ABAP programs. As for the client requirement, you can write the ABAP programs on one environment, that is BTP. And you can see here, and the basis guys also, they can work on one environment, that is BTP. Not only that, see here, and see in BTP platform, okay, scripting technology, scripting coding also possible. See, you can write the HTML. You can write the HTML. You can write the JavaScript. Okay, you can write the JavaScript, and you can write the CSS. You can write the CSS. At the same time, see here, our entire BTP platform having one important database, that is HANA. That is HANA. Here the point is what here? BTP is it's a one environment. That environment, by using that environment, you can develop the UFI query apps. You can create the raw data services. You can interact with the BW systems. You can do the workflow. You can do the workflow objects. Okay, basis people can do their basis operations. You can develop the front scripting technologies. You can write it ABAP programs. Okay, on one single platform. And you see, whatever the data you want to store through the BTP, all those data you can save in HANA database also. Here the point is what BTP is one environment. This BTP environment offers different technologies. At the same time, this BTP included, that means what all these, see here, all these individual objects integrated. All these individual objects are integrated on one platform, that is called BTP. If you open the BTP, you can develop any type of SAP application without integrating with the other modules. Everything you can do on this platform. Okay, guys, you people are clear or having any doubt? For example, I can say one simple example. I want to say one simple example. For example, 25 years back. 25 years back. Okay. I'm going to say the situation about the 25 years back. Okay. For example, I want to buy a cycle. If I want to buy a cycle, I need to go for the cycle shop. See, for example, I want to buy books. If If I want to buy books, I need to go for the stationery shop. I want to buy a mobile. If I want to buy a mobile, I need to go for the mobile shop. Okay, I want to buy a laptop. Okay, if I want to buy a laptop, I need to visit the, okay, for example, Dell showroom or Lenovo something. Okay, see, I'm going to say the situation about the quantifiers back. For example, I want to buy food items. Food items. If I want to purchase the food items, I need to go for the small kirana stores. Okay, here the point is what here. See, 20 or 25 years back in India, 20 or 25 years back in India, if you want to purchase the multiple items, you need to go for the multiple shops. To purchase a cycle, you need to go for the cycle shop. To purchase a books, you need to go for the stationery shop. To purchase a mobile, you need to go for the mobile shop. To purchase a laptop, you need to go for the showrooms, laptop showrooms. To purchase the food items, you need to go for the small kirana stores. But now you guys see, previously in the past, if you want to purchase the different items, so you need to go for the different shops. But now guys, here in India and in other countries, you can see D-Mart, Spencer's. Okay, D-Mart, Spencer's we have. For example, now guys, here, if you want to purchase a cycle, okay, you can go to the D-Mart. If you want to purchase a books, you can go to the D-Mart. If you want to purchase a mobile, you can go to D-Mart. If you want to purchase a laptop, you can go D-Mart. If you want to purchase a food items, you can go D-Mart. Here the point is what? This D-Mart is offering all these services at one place. This D-Mart is offering all these services at one place. The same thing here also. Okay, the same thing here also. This BTP is going to offer different objects. See here, this BTP is going to offer all these objects. This BTP offering all these objects at one stop, at one environment, that is called business technology platform environment. With the help of the BTP, you can develop one SAP application from end to end without integrating integrally with the different outside objects, because all the objects available at one stop, at one environment, that is called BTP. Okay, you guys are clear? Up to clear. If you say okay, I'll give the one more important point regarding this BTP. You guys are clear? Any doubts?
Yeah, please go ahead.
Okay, let's see.
Excuse me.
Yeah, please.
Can you explain more in detail about the BTP platform, how it works and how integrations will happen, and what about ABAP's role and responsibilities, and
Yeah,
what are the things must be knowing? An ABAP cannot learn each and everything like UI.
Yes. That is my next point.
What is our path and role?
Yeah,
Where we have to concentrate.
That is our next point.
In that perspective, please.
The meeting with Raja.
That is our next point. Okay, now I'm going to say that. See, most of the guys getting confusion, especially ABAPers getting confusion. Okay, most of the guys asking me, okay, Anil Krishna, which in BTP offers different technologies, but which technologies are suitable for the ABAPers? Okay, here the point is BTP offering. Okay, BTP offers different technologies. The first one is CPI. The first one is CPI. Okay, CPI is nothing but it's a cloud platform integration. Okay, see here. Cloud platform integration. Okay, here the point is, see, BTP offers different technologies. Here, one is CPI. CPI is nothing but it's a cloud platform integration. See, this is not for ABAPers. This is not for ABAPers. SAP is not offering this CPI for ABAPers because this is for PI and PO. The people who are working in SAP PI and PO. The people who are working in SAP PI and PO. Okay. SAP, see here. Okay. Here the point is SAP offers. See here. See, it's CPI. It's not related to ABAPs. It's related to PI and PO. It says PI and PO. Okay. Next, see here. Next, BTP offers CAPM. CAPM. See here, CAPM. BTP offers CAPM. Here, BTP offers CAPM. CAPM means what it's a cloud application. See here, cloud application programming model. See here CAPM is nothing but say cloud application programming model. This is also not for ABAPers. But unexpectedly, due to lack of knowledge, so many ABAPers, so many ABAPers learning this CAPM. Due to lack of knowledge, so many people are preferring this CAPM. If I say honestly, CAPM is not related to ABAPers because the point is, hey, this CAPM is related to Java consultant. This CAPM is related to Java consultant. You can ask me, Anil Krishna, how can you explain detail? See here the point is, Java developers also, they are developing the Java applications using Eclipse. Using Eclipse, on the top of the Eclipse, Java people developing the Java application. But here the point is what, see, please mute some sounds coming. Okay, see here the point is Java developers using Eclipse, because on the top of the Eclipse only Java people need to develop the Java application. Previously, to develop the front-end applications, to develop the front-end application, Java people, they used to HTML, JavaScript, and CSS, etc. See here, only to develop the front-end applications, Java developers use the scripting technologies like HTML, JavaScript, CSS. With the help of this scripting technology, they were developed the front-end applications. But now the point is, these Java developers also developing front-end applications using SAP UEFI and Fiori apps. Okay, only for front-end application purpose, SAP UEFI and Fiori. Java developers also learning SAP UEFI and Fiori apps to develop the front-end application. Why these guys are learning SAP UEFI and Fiori means, compared with this other HTML technology, other scripting technologies, SAP UEFI and Fiori offering the rich look. So that's why Java developers are learning SAP UEFI and Fiori. In the process of learning SAP UEFI and Fiori, these Java developers need to learn CAPM, which is offered by the BTP. Okay, got the point. See, most of the ABAPers, due to lack of knowledge, most of the ABAPers preferring CAPM. CAPM is not for the ABAPers. It's for Java developers. You see, to design the front-end application using the SAP UEFI and Fiori applications, these Java guys need to learn CAPM. This is not for ABAPers. Next, see here, BTP offers next to UFI and Fury apps. Okay, UFI and Fury. Okay, see here, UFI and Fury. And next to see here, okay, SAP built process automation. SAP built process automation. See, this is also, see, this is fun. See, now I think so many people are working in workflow. Instead of the workflow, BTP offers instead of the workflow, BTP offers SAP built process automation. Okay. Next, as a ABAP on HANA technical consultant, we need to learn ABAP on cloud. Okay, we need to learn ABAP on cloud. And see ABAP on cloud and RAP. This is our criteria. RAP. As a ABAP on HANA technical consultant, everybody needs to learn ABAP on cloud with RAP. ABAP on cloud with RAP. Everybody needs to learn. See, not CPI. CPI is for SAP PIPO consultants, not for CAPM. This is for Java developers. Okay, and see, if you guys want to learn completely UF and PD apps, then you need to go this one. Okay, this SAP built-in process automation is only for workflow guys. The people who are working already in workflow, those guys need to learn SAP built-in process. Okay, but as a ABAP technical consultant, brother GI, okay, please mute to the background some income. See here the point is, as a ABAP on technical consultant, we need to learn ABAP on cloud with the RAP. RAP is nothing but it's a RESTful application programming model. RESTful, yeah, please mute brother. DJ, please mute brother. Okay, RESTful application programming model. See here, RESTful application programming model. RAP is, okay, here the point is, see here, RAP is nothing but it's a RESTful application programming model. As a ABAP technical consultant in BTP, which technology you need to learn means, you need to learn ABAP on cloud with RAP, not CAPM. See, the process of, see here, the process of learning this RAP, you can, okay, the process of learning this RAP to develop the SAP UF and Fury applications, you don't need to have any scripting technologies. You know, see, as a ABAP on HANA technical consultant, we don't need to learn HTML, JavaScript, jQuery, Bootstrap, all these things not necessary. This is for the Java consultant. It's not required for ABAP. As an ABAP technical consultant, we people are going to develop the front-end applications using module programming in normal ABAP. But now in BTP, you can, instead of, see, in BTP, completely avoided. In ABAP BTP, you see, SAP Labs avoided module programming in ABAP BTP. Okay, without module programming, how we people can develop the front-end application means, yes, with the help of the, okay, RAP. With the help of the ABAP on cloud with RAP. By using this RESTful application programming model, we people can develop the front-end application. Yet the front-end application is nothing but we people are going to develop their Fury apps. As a front-end, we people are going to use the Fury apps without learning, without knowledge. We don't need to have the knowledge of scripting technologies, HTML, JavaScript, CSS. You don't need. Just with the help of the RAP, you can develop the front-end applications. Okay, got the point, brother. As a ABAP on HANA technical consultant, in ABAP BTP, you need to learn RAP, only RAP, not others. Okay, you guys are clear? Up to this clear. Okay, now
Yes, I have no doubt.
Yeah, please.
Yes, what is the difference between Fury and ABAP? And which is more useful among these two?
See, Fury and
ABAP.
see, the point is, with the help of the RESTful application programming model, we people are going to develop the Fury apps. That means the front-end applications. Okay. In ABAP, we people are using module-full programming, right? But here, instead of the module-full programming, we people are going to develop the front-end applications. Okay, using the we people can develop the front-end applications using the Fury apps. Those Fury apps, we people can develop using the wrap with the ABAP on cloud.
So you mean to say the one quick question here, this is Murli here. See, using the wrap, you can create the Fury tiles and all?
See, the point is, it's possible here. See, the point is, actually, tiles, all these things not mandatory for ABAPs. The tiles, all those things will be okay for the CAPM people. As a ABAP technical consultant, we need to go for ABAP BTP. That means wrap. Here, we people are going to do the smart tables. Smart tables. See one. Just I'll show you. Give me 1 minute, okay? That was in another laptop. Just wait. It is office laptop, right? So I can't show this one. Wait 1 second. Give me one time. Give me 1 minute. Okay. 1 second. Here actually, I can't open this one. I have the restrictions here. One second.
Question to add a one more question to that, if you are okay with that. See, the OData and all these things you can develop using the ABAP on cloud, right?
See, the point is, so actually OData is a service.
Correct.
OData is a service. See, what is the purpose of that service? With the help of the OData service, we can interact with the SAP UFT and Fury apps, right?
Correct.
Right.
Or you can expose it to as an API for these third-party people.
Yeah, but here there is no third party. There is no third party. Everything integrated on one environment, that is called BTP. There is no third party people. Okay. 1 second, I'm going to show you. Please wait.
Okay.
Just give me 1 minute. 1 minute. Just wait. I'm going to open through on the laptop. Just wait. Just wait. Just here. Okay. This is, I'm using the office laptop here. I do not have the permission for that. Need to take the demo related things. 1 second. I'm going to join it through another laptop. Just wait. Hello, Mounkaji. Hello, Mounkaji. Hello.
Yes, sir. Please tell me.
Yeah. Can you make this ABM Siri? Please make it as a presenter. I need to show one application.
Okay. Sure.
Later that you can. Yeah.
It's a presenter only, sir. AVM Siri.
Okay.
Have you joined with any other name, sir?
No. It was no. It was not. 1 second.
Is it SAP Learning?
No. ABM Siri. Wait. Let's say wait. Yeah, yes, it's SAP learning. Yes, exactly. ABAP series current one.
So you can.
Oh yeah, sure. Thank you. Yeah. See guys, here I'm going to show you one app. Okay, which I explained to the previous batch people. See here. Did you see? Did you see here? Are you seeing? Are you guys see here? We people are going to develop this type of front-end application. Did you see here? Yeah. Did you see here? This is called smart table. And did you see here? 1 second here. Okay. See here. Here you can see. See in a paper you need to write the select options to provide these things. Correct. Selections. Or else you can go for the parameters. Okay. 1 second here. And you can do the double click functionality also. Okay. See when I click on this agency ID, you can see the interactive details here. On which agency ID travel ID I clicked, that record related descriptive data. That means in ABAP you can go for the interactive report, right? You can go for the interactive report. See, for example, if you double click on the customer number, the customer number related data you can see on another grid, right? But here you can see like this. And this display mode also different. Okay. And see here. Once again. Okay. And see here the point. See when you see here, you can see edit button. If you click on editor, you can edit the record here directly. Okay, you can. If you see here, if you click on editor, you can directly edit the record here. Okay, just see here. I just click on the editor. You can see you can edit the record. Once you edit the record here, okay, then you can click on save button. You can click on the save button. See here, I just edited and click on save. Now the data was saved.
And what is the background code for this? Is an ABAP?
See, background is for, see here, wait, I'm going to see here.
So this is an output, right?
Yeah, see here, I'm going to show you the code. Wait.
Correct. Yeah.
1 second, please. Yeah, this is the code here. You can see guys here, everything is here. We don't need to have any ABAP code. See, we don't need to have any scripting technologies knowledge. Everything is here, annotation. Did you see here? All these are the annotations.
These are all CDS
yes,
views.
Yes, exactly. CDS views we people are going to use. Here, mainly, here with CDS association view is going to play the key role. Here, did you observe here? Please wait here. Okay, see here. You observe, guys, here. Define root view entity. It's a CDS view. Instead of the CDS view, we people are going to use the, see here, all these are the annotations. See here. Okay, did you see at the rate of UI? All these are annotations. See here, did you people remember, brother? See here, in CDS, when you are going to create the CDS view, you are going to use the different annotations. How we people can see different annotations in CDS view. The same thing here also. To develop the SAP UFN theory app, we people are going to use the different UI annotations. See here, all these are the annotations. See here, key field, travel ID, agency ID, all these things what here, field, see all these are fields in the CDS view. See here, above this field, so I provide the annotations. With the help of these annotations only, you can develop. Okay, got the point. You guys are clear? Okay. And see, and another thing, I will tell you how you can develop all these things. There is a particular flow in RAP. That is 1 second. Okay, I'm going to show you. Okay, let me make me the presenter here now. Yeah, see here. Here the point is completely in our training, we people are going to discuss ABAP on ABAP on cloud and ABAP on premises. Both we people will discuss ABAP on premises and ABAP on cloud. With the RAP we people discuss. See how we people are going to develop the query apps means. See here, for example, first of all, we need to develop a core CDS view. That means what it's a normal CDS view. Normal CDS view. On the top of, see here, on the top of the core CDS view, we need to develop the interface CDS views. Interface CDS views. On the top of the interface CDS views, we need to develop the final CDS view. That means what it's a consumption CDS views. Consumption CDS views. Once you develop the consumption CDS view, on the top of this consumption CDS view, you need to create a business object. You need to create a business object. BO, business object. Okay, why we need to create the business object means so to expose the consumption CDS view. Once you create, see here the point is what you usually stop at the point initially you are, as per the requirement, you will create the core data service CDS. Once you create the CDS, so on the top of the CDS views you are going to create the interface CDS view. See here, core CDS view is nothing but here these are called basic CDS view. Here you are going to use the master data. With the help of the CDS views, you can display the master data. And the interface CDS view is nothing but here. Interface CDS is nothing but it's the here master data and transaction data. Okay, you can develop the interface CDS views. So okay, you can develop the interface CDS views. So to display the master data and transaction data, you can go for the interface CDS views. Once you develop the interface CDS view, on the top of this CDS view, you are going to develop the final CDS view, that is called consumption CDS view. Inside of this consumption CDS view, which fields you will specify? All those fields will be appeared on the UFI on the query app, that is UFI application. Once you develop the consumption CDS view, on the top of the consumption CDS view, you need to create a business object. Once you create the business object, you need to go for the business object definition here. Business object definition. Business object definition means what? Here you can do the crude operations like you can insert the data, you can delete the data, you can modify the data. All these things, all this related crude operations code we people will develop here. Once you develop this business object creation, on the top of this one, you are going to create a service definition. Service definition. Okay, to create the service, because usually you guys are going to create the OData service. In ABAP, you guys are going to create the OData service. Similarly, here also, with the help of the service definition, and service binding, you can create the service. And one more thing here, with the help of the service definition and service binding, OData service also you can create here. In the process of creating the OData service here, you don't need to create the unnecessary entity set, all these things not at all necessary. No need. Here, see, at the time of creating the OData service here, we need to select the method type. Is it OData, UFI? Some methods are there. We need to select any one of the method. Okay, you can go see here the service definition and service binding. With the help of this service definition and service binding, you can create the OData service here. That OData service you can Okay, pass to the other part, the third party people also. And the other thing here, the important point is SAP Labs is going to restrict that core data service utility. Okay, instead of that, instead of that core data service, here we people are through the service binding, we people are going to create the service using the wrap for the consumption series view. Once you create the once you create the service for this consumption series view, then inside of the consumption series view, which fields you specified as per the note annotations, the query app will be developed. Okay, and one more thing in ABAP, you can see ALV reports, right? In ABAP, you can see the ALV reports. Okay, ALV grid. But here, instead of the ALV grid, we people are going to use the smart tables. Smart tables is nothing but just it's a grids only. But we people are going to display those smart tables using the query apps on the query apps. Okay, you guys are clear. Here the point is on BTP, developing one SAP application is very easy. Because all the, you know it, see, previously, if you want to develop one SAP application, you need to write the code, front-end application, you need to write the code differently. Thereafter, you need to write the application. See, thereafter, if you want to create the word data service, the word data service create, okay, you need to write in application layer. That means in ABAP code, you need to create entity set, all these things. Once you create, again, this word data service, you need to integrate with the front-end application. Once the front end once you integrate with the front end application, again you'll send the request and you'll fetch the data and you will save the data to the front end in the process of sending the request in between the application layer and database layer. Most of the time consuming is happening in between the application layer and database layer. And another point is when you people are going to integrate with other individual objects for ABAP application, for SAP application, again the time consuming is happening. To prevent all these things, SAP, what the SAP Labs did means, he integrated which objects we people need, which objects we need in the process of developing the SAP application from end to end. All those objects SAP Labs integrated at one environment that is called BTP, Business Technology Platform. Okay, here as a database, we people are going to use the HANA database. We people are going to use the HANA database. Here, I need to say one important point, that is HANA, actually, why the BTP, see, why the SAP Labs prefer this HANA database for BTP means this HANA is our own database. This HANA is our own database. This HANA is our own database. Okay, this HANA is our own database. The first point, and the second point is okay, and the second point is HANA is a independent. See here the point is HANA is a independent platform. HANA is, see, why the BTP prefer this HANA means HANA is a independent platform. Okay, got the point. Okay, HANA is a platform. See, why the SAP Labs prefer the BTP means BTP say, okay, why the BTP prefer this HANA means HANA is a special database for the SAP application and the HANA is a independent platform. How means HANA as a dedicated engine access. HANA as a dedicated engine access. With the help of this dedicated engine, where, see here, with the help of this dedicated engine, we can deploy our own SAP UFI applications. Okay, got the point. Got it. If it's up here. Okay. Yeah. And one more thing, guys, here one more time I'm going to say, as a ABAP on HANA technical consultant, you guys need to learn ABAP on cloud with the RAP. Don't concentrate on CAPM on other things. It's not related to ABAP. It's a humble request because most of the guys, due to lack of knowledge, they're wasting their time and money. After completion of the course, when they enter into the project, they're getting confusion because in project each and everything is depends on the RAP, but these guys learn CAPM. It's not at all possible. Okay. In our training, we people are going to discuss S4 ABAP on HANA CDS views also, and AMDPs also we people will discuss. Okay. Got the point? Okay. Yeah, my coordinators will contact you based on your good opinion. We'll go ahead. Okay. Bye. Have a nice day. We'll meet you in the next class. Bye.
Thanks. Bye.
Hello. 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 Yeah, Ravi, please tell me, Ravi. Ravi, tell me. Yeah, tell me.
This conference will now be recorded. This conference will now be recorded.